Hello educators. Welcome back to EduGyaan. In today's video, we will see how to do audio settings in OBS Studio to reduce noise and improve the audio quality while recording the lecture videos. So, without delay, let's start the video. First of all, open the OBS Studio. Click on plus symbol available under source section and select audio input capture to add the microphone. A new window will appear. You can edit the device name here and click on OK button to continue. Once you click on the OK button, a window will appear, which will ask you to select the microphone connected to the system. Select the correct microphone and click on OK to complete the process. Now, you can see the name of the microphone in the source and audio list. Now, you can see the microphone name in the source section and into the audio mixer section. In the audio mixer section, you can see the list of all the active microphones connected to your device. Make sure to mute all the microphones other than the one which you need to use. Click on the settings icon and select filters option. A new window will appear. Click on the plus symbol and select noise suppression option from the menu. Click on OK button. Noise suppression option will be added automatically. Again click on the plus symbol, select noise gate option from the menu and click on OK button. Noise gate with default values will be added. If needed, you can change the values as per your microphone settings. Otherwise, leave it as default. Now, let's see how to increase the gain of the audio. For this, click on the plus symbol again and select gain option from the menu. Click on the OK button. The default gain value is 0. You can change as per your requirements. If you need to boost the audio level, then increase the value, otherwise you can decrease it in case you want to reduce the audio level. These are some basic settings which you must do before starting to record the lectures. Finally, click on the close button. Now all the basic audio settings are done. You can continue recording your lectures. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye and happy teaching.